Hey everyone, welcome to Skill Hub, the place where we unlock new skills, explore exciting opportunities, and help you level up your financial game. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable content. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, the stock market. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, we'll break down everything you need to know about making money with stocks in 2025. So, grab a cup of coffee, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's get started. Alright, first things first, why should you even consider investing in the stock market? The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your money over time. With the rise of AI, automation, and global trends, 2025 is shaping up to be a great year for smart investors. And the best part? You don't need thousands of pounds to start. Even with a small investment, you can begin your journey toward financial freedom. But before you jump in, let's go over some of the basics. So, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it like this. When you buy stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. If that company grows, your investment grows too. Simple, right? Two key ways to make money in stocks. 1. Capital gains. Buy a stock at a lower price and sell it when the price goes up. 2. Dividends. Some companies pay you a share of their profits just for holding their stock. Now let's move on to the first step in your investing journey, choosing the right platform. Before you start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. Here are some beginner-friendly platforms you can check out. eToro, Trading 212, Free Trade, Interactive Brokers, and Robinhood. Pro tip: always choose a platform that offers low fees, educational tools, and an easy-to-use interface. Alright, let's talk about what you should invest in. In 2025, some of the hottest industries include tech stocks, green energy stocks, AI and automation stocks, dividend stocks, and ETFs. Tech stocks. Companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Tesla continue to innovate. Green energy stocks. Think solar, wind, and EV companies like NextEra Energy. AI and automation stocks. AI-driven companies are booming. Dividend stocks, reliable companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, a safer option for beginners. ETFs like S&P 500 ETFs let you invest in a group of top companies instead of just one. Remember, always do your own research before investing. And if you want a deeper dive into stock analysis, let us know in the comments below. Now that you know where to invest, let's talk strategy. Here are some golden rules for beginner investors. Start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it out. Think long-term. The stock market rewards patience. Avoid panic selling. Prices go up and down, that's normal. Stay calm. Keep learning. Read finance books. Follow stock market news and watch channels like Skill Hub for updates. If you're serious about learning, start tracking your stocks and staying updated on financial trends. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to making money in the stock market in 2025. Now I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's the first stock you're thinking of investing in? Or, if you already invest, what's your best beginner tip? Let's help each other grow. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video to help more beginners find it. Subscribe to Skill Hub for more expert investing tips. Share this with a friend who's thinking about investing in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy investing.